It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Welcome back to Magically Retro. I just got back from Goodwill, where I work, and I picked up this, a Sony Walkman, and the model WM-FX195. I got this for a little bit under $5 with my 35% employee discount, but this is quite a different one. It's got an FM radio and it's got mega bass on it. So I already have cassettes with a mega bass feature on them. This is my WM-EX102, which is quite similar. If you can see here, very similar, but also not at all. This one doesn't have an FM radio, this one does, and the mega bass is it seems to be about the same. I don't know exactly the date or era which these ones came out, but they have just about the same features minus the FM radio. But you know, it was really cool to run into a Walkman at work that actually works. You know, it turns on, and it has the rewind and the fast forward function inside working. So that is exactly what I look for when I'm getting a Walkman, is to see those spindles inside spinning, as well as the roller here at the bottom, because you don't want it to eat the tape. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in and kind of give you a sound quality kind of test, because you know, some of these mega bass cassette players kind of have distorted high-pitched sound depending on you know, the different switches you have on top. The different switches, you know, you have the different chrome types of tape, the type 1 and the type 2 and type 4, because type 3, you know, you've seen my cassette, you know, different types of video where it goes through the different kinds of biases of tape. And I got a lot of comments on that saying, you say too much. Well, you may be right, but I just am going to show you this inside of the cassette Walkman. All right, well, it's annoying, and I get it, but I'm just going to show you the sound, show you the sound quality of these mega bass Walkmans, and maybe you can get an idea of the difference and get one for yourself that is to your preference. Because if you're looking for an all-in-one FM radio and cassette player, this one is actually pretty compact for it having both inside. It seems to be a lot more modern compared to a lot of the other cassette Walkmans I've ran into, or walked into, as you could punnily say, or something like that. And it's just kind of a rarity coming across Sony Walkmans for a good price, especially since on eBay the kind of demand has just skyrocketed. But let's cut to the sound quality. Well, thank you everyone for tuning in on another Walkman review. The WM-FX195. You decide whether you like it or not, and leave a comment down below on what you think, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.